Introducing the next generation, TerraMaster D8 Hybrid, where high-speed performance meets ample storage capacity for the perfect fusion. Industry-leading hybrid storage innovation. The D8 utilizes a structure comprising 4 SATA hard drives and 4 M.2 NVMe SSDs, supports storage up to a maximum of 128 terabytes, enabling large projects to be handled with ease. You can also connect the D8 Hybrid to a NAS to expand storage capacity. The D8's built-in HDD1 and HDD2 can be individually assigned. Easily replace the hard drive. Built-in low noise fan, as low as 21 decibels. We also include the TerraMaster TPC backup software as a gift, safe and worry-free. A breakthrough, high-speed hybrid storage array.